Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So today we want to see about the T3rn project. The T3rn raised $7.85 million, which leading investor as the Polychain Capital. So the Polychain is investing a lot lately, so we need to look around that. So they also conducted the token sale in 2022. So this project has been building for a while. So the T3rn is a modular interoperability layer, which is also a cross-chain swapping. So it bridges the gaps between the fees and the blockchain interoperability. So let's see about the docs. So for now you can grind by using two methods. One is executor that we gonna do here, and the second thing is bridging. So the same thing we used to bridge, right? The before video we used the HMI tunnel, right? So the same thing. So I also gonna cover the bridge with the executor, because without bridging you can't do the executor. So that's the thing. You can read through the docs. So the T3rn have some Galxe tasks, so you can go here. I also give the answers to the Galxe task. It's simple, like and retweet. You just need to complete all these and complete the quiz at the end to claim the OAT. So it requires fees some cents, right, on Arbitrum, and also if you need to claim the points, you need to have Galxe tokens. So that's thing you need to take care about. So if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly hop in. So we post a lot of stuffs lately about the node on testnets, and also follow me on Twitter. Make sure you retweet every post, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So hit the bell icon to get the notification instantly. So you need to be early in the crypto space, so make sure you do that. And let's do the faucet thing. So first you need to, this also covers the next node step also. So you need to create a wallet. So I'm going to use MetaMask for that. So click here, account, right? Just add a new Ethereum account. So I'm going to already have in wallet, so T3 So this is the wallet I created. So copy the address, go to faucet. So after getting into the faucet page, you click faucet and just wait until you get the verification. So just paste the address and request token. So already requested it. So I got a faucet from my another device. So the next thing is bridge. So click on bridge. So watch carefully. So they already mentioned the testnet is busy due to heavy traffic. So for the bridge thing, you need to have at least 0.5 ETH on any one of these network. So you can get it from the faucet like the Alchemy, Infura, or any other faucet. But for those things, you need to have at least 0.001 ETH on mainnet or any other network that you request faucet from. Or the another thing is you can send the ETH from any other wallet address to the wallet address that you're going to use for the node. So I'm just going to do the second thing, but this is not advisable. Always get from the faucet. So I have, I think, on base chain. So I have on base Epolia. So I'm just going to paste the address. I'm going to send 0.5 ETH. I'm going to sign the transaction. So it is good thing that you need to request faucet in the bear market. So it is actually useful in the future. So do this thing for every day using the Alchemy, Infura, or anything. Just create a wallet and just use it for the faucet. Have some 0.01 ETH on mainnet, Arbitrum, like that. So always request funds, because in the last bull run, the faucet makers have made a lot of money. People actually sell those tokens for the Sepolia ETH and the Gurial ETH, right? So for Gurial ETH, I witnessed people sell $50 per ETH. So those are the things that you need to put focus on. So I imported my private key on Rabi wallet because MetaMask is too slow for me. I'm gonna change it to base. So I got 0.5 ETH. I'm gonna send to Arbitrum Sepolia for 0.2, 0.23. So for node thingy, you need to have 0.1 ETH on all the 4 chains. So I'm just sending the 0.223 ETH because I need to maintain the transaction on the blockchain. So you can also do it from one chain, but this is good thing to make some transactions. So I'm gonna submit a new order, and for this thing I'm going to send to Blast. I'm gonna send 0.011 ETH. So next I'm going to switch to Arbitrum, and I'm going to send to OP Sepolia. Wait until you receive funds. So it's been 30 minutes. The bridge is experiencing issues as they mentioned. so you can try whenever you want. So I just send some tokens from my another wallet to this. So just for optimism too, I'm just going to bring some of the just for the video purpose. So you need to have 0.1 ETH on all networks, all the 4 networks that are shown. Also you need to have the BRN token that we got from this faucet, right? So make sure that you have these things. So I logged into my VPS. So let's move into the node setup. So update the VPS as usual. So this step is not necessary, but the node will show some of the fonts that might be not visible through direct VPS. So just installing those fonts. And so after that you need to download the binaries. So for this binary thing, you will get updates regularly for the executor. So you need to update regularly. So for that I will mention it on my Telegram. So kindly hop into that. So next thing is you need to extract the binaries. So the binaries are extracted, and now I'm going to change the directory. So for this long you are familiar with this command, right? So you are just learning with me also. I believe you guys are familiar with this. So if you guys are familiar, hit a like. So I'm just going to open a screen. So I don't have screen, I'm just going to install the screen. That's why if you don't have the screen, just install it. Just follow this command. And I'm going to open the screen now. So the screen has been opened. Now you just need to export the environment attributes so that the node can be run on testnet and the settings will be set. So for that, just copy and paste these things. Enter. And this part you just need to edit with your private key. So that you created in your MetaMask, right? So edit with it. So it might look like this. A bunch of letters and alphabets with numbers, right? So it might look like this. Then press enter. So I'm just going to replace it with my private key. So I updated with my private key. For the next part, just copy this. So these are the networks that you're going to run the node on. So you might figure out that these are the networks that you need to have balance, that is 0.1 ETH. So just copy these things and export. So and then after having balance on all the networks, enter execute. So this command will start the node. See, it will automatically figure out that you have balance or not. So see, I have balance on 1, 2, 3, 4 networks. So it will, I don't have balance on optimism, I believe, because I have less number of tokens on the bridge is not working right now. So for this process, the optimism will be skipped and the other 3 networks will be continue to work on. So just take a screenshot of this. So right, that's running, right? I'm just going to take a screenshot of it, and then you need to go to the Discord. Click here. So after taking the screenshot, you can close the screen by Control A and D altogether. So this is the thing. So if you want to view the screen, you just need to screen_or on the screen name T3rn. So it will keep running. So the errors are common, but you don't need to worry about, but you will catch up the syncing. So this is basically bidding the orders. So you might get the order or not. So if you don't get the order, you might get the error. So that's basic thing. And if you run out of balance, you need to update with the balance. So the thing also lead to error. Make sure you do not close these things. Okay, just use Control AD. Don't ever use the Control C on screen. I'm just going to Control AD. So I'm going to join the Discord. And play these things. Agree and submit. Just like this. To send some messages. And here you will have the T3rn testnet, right? So here just upload your screenshot and type something like claim executor role. For the wallet address, you need to mention the wallet address that you are running the node, and then just press enter. So the mods will validate your address and your node. Later they will give you the executor role for your Discord ID. So it might take 24 to 48 hours. So that's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly hop into that and make sure you hit the notification icon, subscribe to your channel. So I went through the analytics of my YouTube. A lot of people are watching the videos without subscribing it. That's not going to help me at all. So at least kindly subscribe to my channel and watch the video. That will boost me to make more content like this. And also like and retweet my tweets and follow me on Twitter. So I will post all the links that are regarding to this guide and node setup in my Telegram. So use those links. And that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys in another video. Stay safe and have a nice day.